Why are you wasting your time? Must be the fumes from
Yeah, that's probably it. Have some more coffee.
really not Oh no! The visions are back! Get back, foul fiends!
Come on, gorgeous. It's about time I show you what I know about chemistry. And a little biology.